right, so for Monday's dinner, I have some chicken rice. Now, this was a little bit of a fail, I will not lie. These are supposed to be Asian garlic spare ribs. Don't know how well I did. They smell good. Kind of burnt them a little bit. And then just some steamed garlic broccoli. I think I'll leave anything ribs wise next time to my husband, but that is what I'm having for Monday night's dinner.
Okay, so I had to do a voiceover for this one, but this was really special because this video is a little bit older. It was during the week of Valentine's Day, and we made this specifically for Valentine's Day. It was some strawberry muddy buddies puppy chow. What sets us apart is that obviously you're using a strawberry base as opposed to a peanut butter base. And what you can use for that strawberry flavor, well, either some freeze-dried strawberries. We couldn't find any. So what did we end up using? Some strawberry jello powder. It did the trick. And then we added some white chocolate chips to it with some Chex cereal. It was absolutely delicious. But this is what we were snacking on all throughout the week of Valentine's.
Alrighty, so because my husband works in the restaurant industry, clearly he'll be working tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day. So tonight, it's our Valentine's Day dinner, and he made spaghetti and meatballs. He made his own spaghetti sauce and his own spaghetti, I guess meatballs? Yeah, meatballs. And then obviously that shaved parm and some fresh picked basil right on top. So that is what we're having for Tuesday night's dinner. All right, so it is Wednesday night. Now, yes, it's Valentine's Day, but my husband works in the food industry, so it's a dinner for one because he is working. I just have some garlic and soy sauce steamed broccoli, some McCain's curly fries, which are just so much like Arby's, let's be real. And then I also have just a beef and bacon wrapped medallion. These are the sauces that I always use. HP sauce. And then I use a combination of the two Arby's sauces to dip my French fries in, which is the Arby's horsey sauce and just the Arby's sauce, I guess. Yeah, it's really good. Mix it in, and it's literally like you're eating it at Arby's. But this is what I'm having for my Wednesday night dinner. So it is Thursday night. No, I didn't go to a cafeteria in a high school and fetch my dinner, but close enough, because I have boxed cabbage rolls. I woke up, was not feeling good at all. It is a snowstorm outside, so I wanted something really easy. So we got my compliments. So not even like a good name brand. So let's be honest. Will they be great? Probably not. Will they be subpar? Yeah. But will they get the job done and make me feel warm and cozy inside because it's a blizzard outside? Yeah. Sometimes you just need a little step up from a microwavable meal for your dinner. We did put a little effort into it. We did put it in the oven, so there's that. But that is what we're having. Alrighty, so this is what I'm having for Friday night's dinner. Again, very simple and easy. It's a snowstorm outside. So I just have a spicy California crunch roll. They kind of like stiffed me on the wasabi, not gonna lie. Just a little side of some soy sauce and a water to drink. I'm very excited for this. It smells phenomenal. Got it at the grocery store. So is it going to be top-notch sushi? Probably not, but it'll get the job done. And this is what I'm having for Friday night's dinner. Alrighty, so it is Saturday night's dinner. I'm just having some, I guess you would say, like homemade fish and chips. Some fish that we use in the air fryer. And then these are some new French fries from McCain's. They're the beer battered fries, and they're the bistro selects. They're actually really good. So I have some of those, lemon wedges, and then I always put tartar sauce on my fish and malt vinegar on my French fries. But that is what I'm having for Saturday night's dinner. Alrighty, so this is what I'm having for Sunday night's dinner. As you can see, it's very hot. It is fogging up my camera lens. Let me just see if I could cool it down for a second so I can actually show you what I'm making. All right, basically it is my take on Gordon Ramsay's chicken madras. I'm going to butcher that, I'm so sorry. It is a Indian dish, and it was very easy to make. I like making Indian food. I think I'm pretty good at it. So the only takeaway, I did find the recipe on Pinterest, very easy to find. Oh my God, look how steaming it is. The only takeaway though I would suggest is adding some cinnamon sticks to it. That's what I did as it was boiling, took them out before I blended it. And then I added a squeeze of lemon and a little bit of sugar. It just needed that oomph. Now, the recipe that he uses calls for like 4 green chilies. That was not going to be going into my curry just because the people eating it just don't like spicy food. So obviously this is meant to be a very spicy dish. Just made some jasmine rice to go on the side, and that is what I'm having for Sunday night's dinner.